Hey, thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful heart with different colors and patterns inside. Basically, I started by coating the rock. Well, I always coat my rocks with regular house paint, but on this occasion, I wanted to do something different. So I did double coating. I wanted to do something that it will catch your eye, but I realized that the bright color, it wouldn't be nice with the combination of the heart, so the heart would not stand out of the picture, out of the painting. So later on, I decided to paint the background black. You will see it on the video. But I started by drawing the heart with the pencil and then just crossing, nothing specific. It's just randomly lines and cuts here and there, just few, because this rock is really, really small. But as soon as I saw this rock, I thought on this rock, it would be nice if I paint a little heart. So that's what I did on this rock. This is really, really simple. If you want to paint this rock, you don't have to do all the designs inside. You can just do the colors, maybe some dots here and there, combination of colors. But again, it's really, really easy and simple to do. I use acrylic paints. As always, I'm going to leave the descriptions of the paints on the description of this video below. And the tools, I use tools for other paintings. For example, I use the dotting tools and I use some Q-tips sometimes. You're not limited to use just dotting tools, so you can use your imagination, let it go free, let it go wild, and you can come up with so many ideas. And if you are thinking on painting rocks, but you're just looking at videos, thinking of doing it, trying to get everything set up, believe me, start now with whatever you have. The simplest thing that you can buy and you can get, you can start painting. And as long as you go, you will see what kind of brushes you like, what kind of paint you like, because there are so many options. And if you ask everybody, about their options or their choices, everybody is going to give you a different answer depending on their style. So if you want to get start painting rocks, just maybe grab some cheap paints from the 99-cent store, but I highly recommend you to get something better. That's definitely my experience with really, really cheap paints, because the pigmentation on the paint is not the best quality, and sometimes you have to paint 3 or 4 coats to get the color or the deepness of the color that you want, or the pigmentation that you want. So as you can see on the video, I just did different patterns, nothing specific. I just do the rocks as I go. Of course, I do have an idea on what to do, but nothing specifically step by step exactly how the rock is gonna come out. I just go and think, oh, okay, I'm gonna do dots here, some lines here, some squirrels here. I'm gonna make this one square. So let your mind go wild and free. And I tried to use this nail polish, thinking that it was going to look better. But you know what? Actually, I think the heart would look better without the nail polish. Let me know what you think, if it would come out better with the just with the paint. And maybe if you bought that, you might think that it would come out better. I will do another rock with the same design, same colors, but without the glitter. I think it cover a little bit of the design, and I don't know, I just think that it would look better without the glitter. But again, I do the rocks as I go, so please let me know in the section below. Also, if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you subscribe to my channel, I will get your support, and I would love for you to keep on viewing my videos. Also, if you paint rocks, you can share them on my Facebook page, Roger Adventures so I can feature your pictures on these videos, or I can say shout out to whoever you want. I hope you like this video, and I hope I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.